Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News. Daily Kids News.
Welcome back, News Explorers. I'm Big Brain, and this is episode 46. If you miss a day, no worries. We'll help you catch up. Today, we've got a super smart robot crew, a giant splashy holiday, and a mystery photo taken from space. Let's plug in, splash on, and zoom out. Whoa! Have you ever built something with your hands, and then it gets invited to one of the biggest competitions for that thing? That's what happened to a robotics team in Center County, Pennsylvania. Their 4-H robotics club team, nicknamed Center Punch, qualified for the first robotics competition world championship. Here's how it works. Robotics teams design and build a real robot. Then they bring it to an arena where robots race around, grab objects, and complete challenges. Kind of like a super fast, super smart obstacle course. But it's not just about speed. Teams have to plan, test, fix, and try again. Imagine building a sandwich, but the sandwich has wheels, sensors, and a brain made of code. At the Gotham Regional in New York City, their robot didn't just compete. It impressed judges with its design. They even won a creativity award, which is like getting a gold star for clever ideas. Making a robot is teamwork. One person might build the frame, another might wire electronics, and another might program it so it can see where to go. Now they're heading to the World Championship, where teams from many places bring their best inventions. Speaking of big crowds, let's splash into our next story.
Hey kids, it's Big Brain with your Daily Scoop. Today, brains can control your body. Watch this. Whoa, my arms are off. Come back here, you. I guess they have a mind of their own.
Did you know some New Year celebrations don't just sparkle, they splash? In Thailand, people celebrate Songkran, which marks the Thai New Year, and one of the biggest traditions is water. Lots of people head outside and joyfully sprinkle and splash water, and it's meant to symbolize cleansing and good fortune, like rinsing off old worries and welcoming fresh, happy beginnings. Picture a hot day where the air feels warm like a cozy blanket. Now imagine streets full of smiling people with buckets, cups, and water toys. Water flies through the sunshine like glittery rain. It's playful, but it also has meaning. Long ago, people gently poured water as a sign of respect and to wish others well. Over time, in many places, it became a bigger, more festival-style water celebration. If you ever get to join a water festival or water play, remember, always ask before you splash someone and never aim at faces or eyes. Also watch your steps. Wet streets can be slippery. And listen to the rules and the grown-ups in charge. Festivals are like giant community parties. They can teach us about traditions, special actions people repeat year after year to remember what matters. Some traditions use food, some use music, and Songkran uses water. Also, water is super important for life. Plants drink it, animals need it, and our bodies are full of it. So using water in a celebration can feel like celebrating life itself. From splashes on Earth, let's zoom way up above Earth for a mystery picture from space.
Okay, kids, time for the next story.
Okay, brainbenders, are you ready for a mystery where the detective is a satellite? NASA Earth Observatory shared a new satellite puzzler for April 2026. And it's basically a monthly game where you look at a real satellite image and try to figure out what you're seeing. Satellites are like robotic birds way up in space that take pictures of Earth. But these pictures can look strange at first. A river might look like a wiggly ribbon. A desert might look like a giant cookie crumb. Clouds can look like whipped cream swirled over the planet. Here's the cool part. Satellites don't just take pretty photos. They can help scientists notice patterns, like where plants are growing, how ice changes through seasons, or how smoke from wildfires drifts. But today, we're sticking to the puzzle fun. It's like having a super tall observation tower that can see the whole playground at once. When you stare at a puzzler image, your brain starts hunting for clues, shapes, colors, shadows, and texture. Is that bright line a beach? Are those spots islands? Is that a city grid or farm fields? You're practicing observation skills, the same skills artists, engineers, and scientists use. So next time you look out the window, imagine zooming out higher and higher until your neighborhood becomes a tiny pattern. That's the satellite view, Earth turning into an amazing puzzle. And that's our tour of robots, splashes, and space pictures. That's episode 46. Today we learned that teamwork can build world-class robots, traditions can splash a whole city with good wishes, and space pictures can turn Earth into a giant mystery game. Keep those neurons firing. See you next time.
See you tomorrow. Row.
Woo!